Hi everyone, welcome to Wristwatch Weekly, and this is our first unboxing on this channel. So today we're looking at the brand new Christopher Ward C63 Sealander automatic in 39mm. This only came out on Friday, so this is a really fresh release. Now straight away, this is exactly the kind of watch I like. Just a proper everyday watch, nothing over the top, just clean, simple, and really well put together. This one's got the black dial, which I think looks great. Really easy to read, really versatile. It's the kind of watch you can wear with pretty much anything. And it's on the camel vintage oak leather strap, which actually looks really well with this black dial. It just softens it a bit, gives it a bit more character rather than going full steel. Size wise, this is the 39mm, which for me is pretty much spot on. It's not too big, it's not too small, just a really comfortable size for everyday wear. Inside, you've got the Sellita SW200-2, but this is the updated version, so you're getting around 60 to 65 hours of proper power reserve. Now this is a big improvement. You've also got a sapphire crystal, 150 meters of water resistance, and a display case back, so you can actually see the movement, which is always nice to have at this price point. And honestly, on the wrist, this is where it really makes sense. It just sits nicely, feels comfortable, and it's the sort of watch you could just throw on every day without thinking about it. And that's really what this is, a proper go anywhere, do anything watch. And considering this is coming in under $1,000, it's going to be very hard to beat for the money. Let me know what you think in the comments. Would you go for something like this on leather, or would you switch it into a bracelet? And if you enjoyed this, make sure you're subscribed. Plenty more unboxings and podcasts coming soon.